Hi everybody, as you're fully aware, I've had a few tasks over the last few weeks, just restoring things. Got this little beauty out of my garage. It's been in since we moved in. Done a bit of delving on the internet. I reckon it's probably about 100-year old. See what you think before and afters. Cheers. Here we have her. So I knew nothing about this, done a bit of googling. Found out it's a Feuerhand. If we just look right on the side. Different models of these, which I'm going to learn a little bit more about. This one is a Western 275 baby. All original. Even comes with a moth. Original glass. Branded. There she stands in all her glory. There were a few before and afters and in betweens. To keep you all updated. Yeah, looking forward to this. This will be a challenge. Will be a challenge, yeah. Fingers crossed. So as you can see, that's us off to step one. All stripped down. Get a little bit of a clean up. But yeah, lots more work to do on that. As you can see, that's starting to come up already, and that's just with a little bit of cleaner and a toothbrush. But yeah, I'm going to try and dip that in some kind of vinegar or something like that. See what that comes up like. Yeah, signs of silver there. And these are going to be really hard parts. But yeah, you can see signs of silver. Just inside handles and everything. Obviously by the time this is posted, people's going to start telling me what I could have done. It's going to be too late by then. Just learning curves. Thanks for watching. So after watching a few videos on how to renovate and get rid of rust from metal, I seen the trick was distilled vinegar. So purchase some distilled vinegar, put the lamp in there. It's been in 24 hours now, so I'm just going to remove it and see what condition we're in. So as I said, it's been in 24 hours. Looks really grotty, but you can see already there, it's already took it off. So yeah, really happy with what made a massive difference, you can see there. So yeah, next step, wire bolt, give it a little clean up. So there we go, finished product. I used a very fine wire wool, the original wick. The glass is cleaned up absolutely brilliant, like brand new. You had pieces of rust, well, it hasn't cleared, but gives a more authentic look. Yeah, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure.